let's go over the basics of the Ascension Protocol, which is the longevity system that I built through Everest Longevity. So 32 longevity metrics. What does that mean? Well, you saw that wheel, and the wheel had alignment, physical, connection, and legacy. Each one of those quadrants has 8 components that it's broken down into. Each of those components, you can achieve a score: critical, stable, or optimized. And so if we look at the quadrants again, alignment means getting everything going in the same direction. And so we've built our lives one brick at a time, one day at a time, one experience at a time. And what we do in the alignment phase of things is just simply take a look across how we've designed our life and see if there's things that can be improved upon, even if it's only a 1% improvement. We also can evaluate if there's things that do not serve us anymore and start to make priorities as to what we stand for and what we want to accomplish with our lives. So that's creating alignment. Next, we would want to then, assuming that we've got kind of a purpose and a direction that we're trying to, we've got the train on the tracks. Now we want to really get moving to the direction we want to get to. We want to get to our destination. If we want to get to Albuquerque, we got to get going to Albuquerque. We've decided that's where we want to go. And now we're going to start putting some steam into the engine. And so the next phase would be physical vitality and making sure that we have our body, the physicalness of our body really tuned up and using all of the advantages we have. And it's really, if you go on to, keep scrolling on your favorite social media channel, and if you're into figuring stuff out about fitness, you're going to see 100 different things from 100 different experts. And I'd like to help you boil that down to its essence and really spend time doing the things that are going to matter the most for you. Beyond the physical, we have the connections piece, which is really the psychological, social aspect of things. This is the longevity superpower that they talk about from the happiness study, that ultimately, if you have your psychological, social connections with yourself, with your family, with the groups of people that you interact with, your community, mankind at large, do you give back in some way, shape, or form? Are you connected to the physical world, the material world, the spiritual side of things, concepts of infinity? These things also give you a tremendous amount of benefit. And then the last bit is legacy. That's kind of a special bonus. I'll save that for another video.